In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share iPad screen on Zoom. If you want to show your iPad during a Zoom meeting, maybe for a presentation, a demo, a lesson, or just to walk someone through an app, Zoom gives you a simple way to do it. The process is straightforward, and you can choose between sharing wirelessly through AirPlay or using a cable, depending on what works best for your setup. Start by opening your Zoom meeting on your computer. Once you're inside the meeting and ready to begin sharing, look at the meeting controls and click on Share. This opens the screen sharing options and is the main place where Zoom lets you choose what you want other participants to see. After that, click on More. This is where Zoom shows extra sharing methods beyond just your desktop or a single window. If you're specifically trying to display your iPad, this is the option you need because the iPad sharing tools are found here instead of in the standard screen choices. Next, click on Share iPhone to iPad via AirPlay. Even though it says iPhone or iPad, this option works for your iPad as well. This is the wireless method, and it's convenient if you don't want to deal with cables. When you choose it, Zoom will guide you with instructions for connecting your iPad to the meeting through AirPlay. Make sure your devices are on the same network if needed, and follow the on-screen prompts carefully so the connection goes smoothly. If you prefer a more stable connection, or if AirPlay isn't available, you can use the cable method instead. In that same area, choose the option to share your iPhone or iPad via cable. Then connect your iPad to your computer using a compatible cable. This option is often helpful when you want a reliable connection with less chance of lag or wireless interruptions, especially during important meetings or live demonstrations. Once connected through either method, your iPad screen should appear in Zoom for everyone in the meeting to see. At that point, you can open any app, document, or content on your iPad and present it in real time. Before you begin, it's a good idea to close any apps or tabs you don't want visible, just to keep your screen clean and professional, and that's all it takes to share your iPad screen on Zoom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.